Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Good morning! I know you guys, first of all, you guys already saw that today is Marvel's birthday. He is 3 years old today, so we are super excited for his birthday, and we are very thankful for him to be in our life. The day we got him, we came back from India and then we went to get him. He was 8 weeks old and he was so cute. He is still cute, but he was just tiny. Still, the day we got him, he weighed 20 pounds, so it was still big for his size. And that was like the best day of our life for both of us, because that was for both of us, like Marvel is our first dog that we own. Anyways, now let me get back to my hair. I know you guys can see my hair, it's very different. Yes, let me show you a good look. I colored my hair. It's a caramel color, and you guys know I'm going to my we guys are going for a honeymoon, so you gotta do some touch up in your hair. So yeah, I really love the color and everything, so do let me know in the comment section how you like it. I love it. It's like all the way in the bottom everywhere, and then some of them comes up here. So yeah, let me show you guys Marvel. Let's go see what he is doing. He is lying down on his 3rd birthday. Look at him! Marvel! It's your birthday! Marvel, it's your happy birthday today! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Marvel! See? You are 3 years old today. Oh my god, you are so big. You are 3 years old. Where are you going? Anyways, so let me show you. We got him some treats that we'll give him in some time. So this is like beef marrow, and I defrosted one of the pieces. I got it from his dog store where we get his food and everything. So in some time I'll give him this treat, and he'll be busy with this treat for like 4 or 5 hours, because it takes that much of time to, you know, keep chewing it and eating the marrow and everything. So yeah, that is what is happening. For lunch I'll be making chicken keema, so I'll show you the recipe. I think I did show you guys, but I'll just tell you how it is while making it. And yeah, just took bath and everything, dried my hair. I love it. Do let me know in the comment section. Marvel, is this your birthday treat? Can you go sit on your bed? Sit on your bed? This is going to be your birthday treat. Wow, you're excited. Here, take it. Enjoy. Now he's gonna eat this like for 4 or 5 hours, because it takes that long. He's gonna lick it, chew it, and enjoy it, right? Are you excited, Marvel? It's your happy birthday. Now he's gonna be super busy and all into this bone. This is like his favorite time pass thing. Whenever we want to distract him or just give him a treat or something, we give him this, and he is done for the day. Look at him. Marvel, do you love it? You're so good. You're so happy. Enjoy. I'm not gonna disturb you anymore, okay? And now while he enjoys his phone, I'm gonna watch some Friends, watch some TV. And yeah. let's see. Right now it's 2:30, so let's see when he finishes with his bone. I'll let you guys know. But right now it's, and also let me show you one thing. So the other day I got some green onion, and then I cut off the top part, used it, and then I saw it in one of the videos that if you soak the root part in the water, it starts to grow back again. So I thought of trying it, so that is what I'm doing it. And you can see the green part that you see here, that is the new fresh one that is coming out. So I think it's going to be a success. What I did is just added some water in this glass and root facing down in the water. I kept it, and that's it. Let's see. It's been 2 days, and I'll wait till 1 week and see if it's growing, and I can cut it and use it, and then done. And then we are going for cruise, so I'll just throw it then. But yeah, I saw them doing it with 2-3 vegetables like green onion, and then celery, one more was cabbage, and some more. Yeah, look at him. Let me show you. He is so busy. You're so happy, Marla, aren't you? Look at him. Perfect birthday gift for him. And I didn't show you guys Mayank since morning. He's been working here.
I've been counting days. We have been counting days for our cruise. So our vacations start here.
Yep.
So it's
another week.
1 week left.
Super excited.
And weekend is almost here, and then just 1 week left.
Yeah.
So we are super
excited.
excited, and this is all our vacation mode.
Yeah.
So you guys are in for a real treat, because we're gonna do informative videos, travel packing videos and whatnot. So I hope that's gonna be useful as well as too much enjoyment.
Yeah.
Is he eating his bone?
Yeah, he's eating the bone. And also the packing video for cruise is gonna be very beneficial for anybody who's gonna go for the first time, because you don't really know what all clothes to carry for fine dining and this and that, and what all things are there for which you can carry the clothes. So it's gonna be very helpful for you guys. Look at him. And don't worry, he doesn't eat the entire bone. He just licks the meat from outside and the marrow. Good boy, enjoy, Marvel. Are you enjoying? I love you.
What? Okay. Quiet. Sit. I know. Mommy's making your dinner time. I know it's your dinner time. Okay. Less talking, more working. Sit.
Coming.
Are you trying to talk? Can you sit? Good boy. Mommy's making your dinner, okay? I know. It will take 2 minutes. Stay. Marvel, this guy is here. We came back. I gave him a car ride because he loves that. And it sit. Stay, please. And then I have his bone left over from this evening. Afternoon actually, so I'm gonna give him that to play with. Gently take it. Good boy. Oops. And off he goes. He's gonna be busy for next few hours. He's gonna be busy for next few hours for sure. You can see that he couldn't finish that bone in the entire afternoon. So now he's just gonna sit there. He's tired from the walk and the car ride. I don't know why he gets tired from the car ride. Maybe because he just keeps standing, he doesn't sit in the car.
His face outside.
Yeah, and hang his face outside the window. So he's gonna enjoy his bone for the rest of the evening. And we are finally gonna watch Crown. So we basically slept in the evening today. I didn't go to the gym also. And The weather is really good outside.
We had ice cream truck.
Our community is having ice cream trucks, so we went and got an ice cream. So we drove around while eating ice cream. You know, I normally plan these small things for Tanya all the time.
He didn't even know that there's an ice cream truck today. We were passing by and I was like, hey, there's an ice cream truck today, let's go. And like, oh, I didn't even see that. Such a liar. Liar, pants on fire.
Anyways, and I don't know if you guys saw, I also got the hair color. I know Tanya showed you her, but this is what I got done, if you can see. So let me know, how do you like my haircut and my hair color? So anyways, we are still too full from the lunch, and I think we are just gonna watch Crown and then we'll see what we wanna do next. For Marvel's birthday, that's how it's going on. I mean, he's enjoying his bone, he's having fun, he got a car ride, he went out. So that's it. Okay people, so Marvel is finally done eating his bone marrow, and you can see, I can see you guys from here. Marvel,
See? Can you show them? You just ate your whole bone marrow. There's nothing left in it. There's nothing left in it. You can't eat anything in it. Actually,
there's still some taste in it. So he's like, he still wants it to chew, but I'll give him another one next week. Okay? Daddy will give you another one next week. But this is done. You have eaten it. You're such a good boy. Okay? Yeah, he still wants it. I'm not gonna give him. That bone is done, my friend. It's gone. It's gone. See? Daddy threw it. You're such a good boy. Everybody's saying happy birthday, Marvel. Everybody's saying happy birthday, Marvel.
say thank you. Talk. Talk. Say thank you. Talk. Marvel, see here. Talk. Talk.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, thank you, everybody.
I am making dinner, and very simple dinner. Let me show you. And this is just for me because mine doesn't like to eat this, but I love it. It's normal plain khichdi with masoor dal and rice with some asafoetida, some cumin, salt, turmeric, and one dried red chili. That is all I need, and some salt. That's it. And then top it off with some ghee. Oh my god, even though you're not sick, I know this is some like people think this is a sick patient food, or when people are sick they want to eat this food, but I just crave this sometimes. So anyways, I'm gonna make this real quick. And we have been watching a new series in Netflix. It's called Crown, and it's really nice. It's very interesting. So we are just in, I think, episode 3 right now, so it's going good. And there's the birthday boy sitting right here. He's all tired with chewing the bone. Anyways, let me quickly make the dinner and I'm done. And let me show you this thing again. Since morning you can see how much it has grown. The green part, fresh green color that you can see, is all the new green onion growing over here. See? Oh my god, they're becoming so big. Do try it. I mean, I'm gonna try it and I'll definitely let you guys know how it comes out, but do try it. I think it works. Okay guys, dinner is ready. This is how I like my khichdi. It is so good. Top it off with some ghee and done. And he's having some bread bhujia, his comfort food, with some onion and green chili and lemon, and then bread. Yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog celebrating Marvel's birthday.
And don't forget to comment.
Yeah, don't forget to comment about our hair.
Yeah, and also let us know if you have a pet when it's his birthday.
What do you do? Yeah.
And what do you like to do?
Yeah,
what's his
birthday.
favorite to do, basically.
So we'll see you guys in the next vlog. So till then, bye bye, take care, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.